Winter can be a challenging season for drivers, especially when it comes to navigating snowy and icy roads. Fortunately, there are some cool car gadgets that can revolutionize the way you navigate the icy roads. From heating your car without running the engine to keeping your hands warm on the steering wheel, these gadgets are a must-have for your car this winter. Let's check them out. Number 7. Tire Traction Mat. Ever been stuck in the snow or mud? Well, the tire traction mat is a trusty sidekick for off-roaders. They're not just for snow. These mats can also get your car unstuck from mud, sand, and ice. Plus, they're way easier to keep in your trunk compared to a heavy bag of kitty litter. Just tuck one close to each of your driving wheels, and your car gets the grip it needs to get out of tricky situations and back on the road to your destination. It's all about having a reliable friend in your trunk when winter throws challenges your way. You can get it for $80 on Amazon. Number 6. Snow Tow. For avid ice fishermen and winter lovers, towing an ice shack or fish house over snow and ice can be a hassle. But with Snow Tow, you can do it with ease. This cool winter car invention is essentially a ski that attaches to the coupler of your trailer, taking the weight off your towing vehicle. Whether you use an ATV, a side-by-side, or a pickup, Snow Tow will make your winter adventure more fun and convenient. You can choose from different models of snow tow skis, depending on the size and weight of your trailer. With a simple design and a price of $925 for a pair, Snow Tow is an accessory that every winter enthusiast should have. Number 5. Zero-Start Silicone Pad Heaters. Starting your car in cold weather can be a challenge, but with Zero-Start Silicone Pad Heaters, you can make it easier. These cool winter car inventions are flexible pads that you can stick to any smooth metal surface of your vehicle, such as the oil pan, engine block, or battery tray. They use electricity to generate heat and improve the flow of fluids and the performance of your vehicle. Zero-Start silicone pad heaters are resistant to oil, acid, and moisture and can last for years. They come in different sizes, shapes, and wattages, depending on your vehicle's needs. With a price of $250.95 on Amazon, Zero-Start silicone pad heaters are an affordable and reliable solution for cold weather engine starting. Number 4. Helix. SnowX Helix stainless steel hopper spreaders are cool winter car inventions that can help you manage snow and ice on roads. They have a unique corkscrew design that prevents clogging and provides superior material flow compared to traditional odgers. They also have a stainless steel frame and hopper that are resistant to corrosion and durable. You can choose from different sizes and capacities depending on your vehicle and needs. SnowX Helix stainless steel hopper spreaders are the ultimate tools for efficient and cost-effective snow and ice management. With a price of $6,000, they are a bit more expensive than other winter car gadgets, but they are worth the investment if you live in an area with heavy snowfall. Number 3. Webasto Parking Heaters. The Webasto parking heaters are cutting-edge devices designed to heat up your car's engine, interior, and fluids without the need to run the engine. Imagine stepping into a warm and cozy vehicle on a frosty morning, without the hassle of scraping ice or defrosting your windshield. With Webasto parking heaters, you can save fuel, reduce emissions, and enjoy a comfortable ride in any weather. These heaters are incredibly easy to install and operate, and they come in a variety of models and sizes to suit your vehicle and needs. Whether you prefer to control them with a remote, a mobile phone, or a timer, Webasto parking heaters are the ultimate solution for reliable and efficient heating in the winter. One of the diesel versions of this heater is priced at $913, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking comfort and convenience on the road. Number 2. SE Heat Direct Heated Steering Wheel Cover. The SEG Direct Heated Steering Wheel Cover is a true game changer for those who value a warm and cozy grip on their steering wheel. This innovative cover fits standard-sized steering wheels with an outer diameter of 14.5 to 15 inches, equipped with a 12V quick heating coil cord that can be conveniently plugged into your car's lighter. This cover ensures that your hands stay toasty warm during those chilly winter drives. Made from soft and smooth velour, it provides a luxurious touch, while its skid-proof design enhances your control on the road. The SEG Direct Heated Steering Wheel Cover is the perfect accessory for cold weather driving, ensuring that your hands stay comfortable and responsive, no matter how low the temperature drops. Number 1. Frost Guard Plus Windshield Cover. The Frost Guard Plus windshield cover is an absolute essential for car owners in winter. We all know the struggle of chiseling off snow from our windshields on those freezing mornings. But with FrostGuard Plus, that's a thing of the past. This ingenious cover sits on the outside of your windshield, effortlessly catching and sloughing off snow. Gone are the days of spending precious time and energy scraping away at ice with an oversized ice scraper. Designed to cover not only your front window but also your wipers and side view mirrors, this cover provides comprehensive protection against winter weather. With sturdy PVC tubes sewn into flaps on the edge, you can securely shut them in your doors to prevent wind or thieves from removing the cover. The FrostGuard Plus windshield cover is available for just $35 on Amazon, making it an affordable and invaluable investment for winter drivers. So, as winter approaches, which of these cool winter inventions are you planning to get? Let's know in the comment section.